Hey, welcome back in, everyone. Mike Schultz with you once again, talking about the weather on a Tuesday night. A very quiet pattern across the state today. A few flakes of snow, that's about it. As you can see on the satellite picture, not a whole lot going on. This area of low pressure moving across helped to push a little moisture across our area, but that is just about moving out of the picture. And now we're just getting kind of a little few areas of moisture moving across. That combined with the cold temperatures is condensing into a little light snow here and there, but nothing really heavy going on. As far as the rest of the state is concerned, as you can see here, looking at showers around the Ketchikan area, also Juneau 33 degrees, Kodiak 38 degrees, lots of showers there, also showers in the Anchorage Bowl. Up and down the west coast, temperatures looking at Bethel 8 degrees, only 7 degrees at Nome, and 2 below at Barrow, with Fort Yukon at 2 degrees below zero. Time for our kids' weather, and all this week we're talking with the kids from Tuckasuk Brown Elementary School. Tonight, here's a young man with an interesting weather picture that he drew about a storm.
My name is Rocky. I'm in Miss Nelson Myrado's third grade class, and this is my picture. The way how to make a tornado is by heat, wind, and lightning. It forms and make a tornado.
What else is on there, Rocky?
Lightning, tree, sun, sky, and wind.
Yeah, Rocky likes to draw a lot. It wasn't too bad of a job there, Rocky. Good job. And again, thanks to Mount McKinley Bank for sponsoring our kids' weather each night. Tomorrow night, a young lady will be here to ask a question about the wind. How about national weather? What's going on there over the west coast? You can see again another storm system moving in across the from the Pacific Ocean into the west coast. More snow moving across the Central Plains, but it's just the beginning of what can be really a major winter storm developing. As I was talking about last night, looking at a lot of cold air helping to make this become a one to remember. It looks like it's going to be. Major travel delays, blowing and drifting, coastal flooding, strong coastal winds. That should be starting probably about tomorrow night into Thursday and really be wrapping up really good and strong by this weekend. And the jet stream once again is the culprit behind all this. As you can see, the winds once again blowing off of the Pacific Ocean, then driving that storm system way on down into the Gulf of Mexico. That combined with the cold air is helping to produce, well, like I said, it's going to be a very powerful storm. Meanwhile, back here in Alaska for tomorrow, our forecast for the northern sections, flurries expected at Barrow, blowing snow in Nome, snow showers for Fort Yukon. And in the interior, it looks like a pretty quiet day. Mainly cloudy skies at Fairbanks, light snow possible in Healy and Delta Junction, while over southeast Alaska, we're looking at scattered showers at Juneau, light rain also in Ketchikan. Over to the southwest, it looks like mixed showers for Cold Bay, rain for Kodiak, and partly cloudy skies for Bethel. And down over the interior, or I should say south central sections, mostly cloudy skies in Anchorage and Homer, a little snow in Valdez. Out at the airport right now, our numbers look like this. Our today's high was 9 degrees. The low last night, 6. The record high, 42 in 1981, 64 below in 1906. Your sunrise and sunset, about a little more than 5.5 hours of daylight. And our forecast for tonight, cloudy skies with some areas of light snow, 5 below for the overnight low. Tomorrow's forecast, calling for continued cold with mostly cloudy skies. And look at this 5-day outlook. Again, not much change at all. Continued temperatures above normal for this time of year, really above normal by the last day there, 14 above. Overnight lows will also continue way above normal. Chilly, but not too bad for it can be this time of year. And our photograph for tonight, well, this is a nice one. This one's sent in by Michelle Ingraham, and she was able to capture a sundog on the Steese Highway. And they're coming out now because you get the cold temperatures and the frost, and you can see again, that was a very beautiful photograph. And again, photos at ktvf11.com if you have one that you would like to submit. That's pretty.
Is the sundog like a big lens flare in the sky?
Basically, yeah.
Pretty much.
Reflecting off of all three sides, you know.
Yeah, it's very pretty.
It is.
Super
You'll see
pretty.
a lot of those in the really cold temperatures, but evidently it was cold enough that the ice crystals were reflecting the sun on that one.